What's up, gang? Jason with Volts America Magazine. Boy, do we got a treat for you guys today. We got something awesome sent to us from our friend out there in Australia at the WeDub.com. We got the custom WeDub 125 scale custom 1600 engine. Pretty sweet kit. It's a little model kit that you build like when you were a kid, but way more fun. It's all 3D printed and super highly detailed. You got your engine block, you got engine tinge, you got a starter ring, transmission bell housing, carburetors. I mean, the detail is crazy on this thing. These are the push rod tubes with springs and little seals. We got spark plug wires, manifolds, Delorto carbs. It's an amazing kit. It's pretty great, and we'll throw a link down at the bottom here so you can see where you can get yours. I think we're giving a few of these away even if you subscribe to our newsletter, so we'll put the information for that down below as well. But we're going to build this thing. I'm going to show you, how I do it. We got the 36 horse style fan shroud. All kinds of great stuff in here. And very detailed instructions showing you where everything goes and how to put it all together. I've kind of been playing with it a little bit just to kind of get an idea of how it goes together. I put some of the bigger pieces together just to see if, how the fit was, and they fit really, really nice. It's so clean. I'm going to have to use a little bit of putty just to smooth out the edges to make it look super nice, but not a big deal. We've got all our stuff here, spray paints and tweezers and X-Actos and the putty and stuff that we're going to use to put this thing together. So I'm going to build it in a kind of a top-down view so you can see how it goes, how we do it. It's just like building a model kit, but it's just a bunch of tiny little pieces. So let's change the camera. We'll jump into the top-down view. I'm going to go ahead and paint this stuff first so it's all ready to assemble, and you can just watch me go nuts and put it together. So I'm going to jump out there and paint these real quick, and we'll come back and get to work.